Imagine undertaking a voyage that takes you around the world in 54 days. Times have changed since Jules Verne made his journey, and now Tanushree Nandan and Samresh Das have chosen to embark on a journey from Kolkata's iconic Howrah Bridge to London's Tower Bridge. And what's more, it will be on wheels and for a noble purpose. The duo is out on a mission to generate awareness for rare diseases and have found an ally in Organization of Rare Diseases India.
WHO defines a rare disease as something that affects about 5,000 people in a million. So that's not a very big number. But when you consider that India is a country of 1 billion people, then obviously the number is quite a lot. Unfortunately enough, there is not a lot of information that is available on rare diseases. For example, we know about progeria because of PA. We know about Alzheimer's because of black. But we don't know about Hirschsprung. There is a disease called Hirschsprung disease which affects mainly infants, mainly newborn babies, because their lower digestive tract is not properly developed before birth. And nobody talks about rare diseases. So which is why we decided to take up rare diseases as a cause.
Das is a veteran of sorts with thousands of kilometers under his belt along the terrains of Northern America, Eastern Europe and Scandinavia.
Wanted basically to experience how what it takes to cross all the borders and meet different kind of people and meet different kind of creed and cultures, and then different kind of food.
Actually, we started preparing for the journey about 1.5 years in advance because this was a costly affair. This is always going to be a costly affair to cross 17 countries on land. We had to take 10 visas in total. And we started the visa process, which is a very grueling process. We started it in January.
The journey was flagged off by Debashish Sen, the Additional Chief Secretary of Government of West Bengal.
Sunrises, the moonshines and the sunsets and the sunrises in the 17 countries of the world or more. May you get all the blessings from all of us.
This 18,000 kilometer long intercontinental journey will take Nandan and Das across 18 countries in Asia and Europe. The journey that has begun in the eastern Indian metropolis will traverse through Thailand, China, Kazakhstan, Russia, Germany and France among others, and culminate in the United Kingdom. MIG TV wishes the Braveheart travelers a safe and a fruitful journey.